So with this, I request Dr. Anuradha Parashar ma'am to introduce the speaker of today's session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Joshi. Very good evening to one and all. Welcome to all the participants to Samvad series at MIT World Peace University, Pune, India. And hearty welcome to all esteemed members from academia, industry, society, deans, director, principal, HODs of various colleges and schools from across India who are attending Samvad series along with their faculty and students. We also welcome faculty, staff, and student participants from MIT World Peace University. We are going to discuss a very crucial subject which is under discussion for today, and it is very critical and important topic as it relates to our life, it relates to our future, it relates to enabling our life with Corona and beyond Corona. At present, the world and we all are at standstill, as rightly pointed by Dr. Joshi. Everything is shut, and this deadly coronavirus is affecting millions of people around the world, killing thousands of people. We understand that as of now, there's no breakthrough in finding a cure or a vaccine for COVID 19. We all are relying heavily on preventive measures only, as that is the biggest weapon against coronavirus with us today. And we have learned through various research studies and government advisories that coronavirus can be anywhere and everywhere and can survive for hours and hours, whether it is air, surface, water, cloths, metal, or for that matter, human touch also. Since the day coronavirus has entered in our life, we feel so scared to touch anything and even ourselves. What an agony that due to fear of coronavirus, everyone is advised and is strictly following the preventive medicine not to touch even oneself without taking adequate precautionary measures. Friends, don't you think that it is high time that we apply ourselves collectively to do samvad with each other, to figure out some feasible solution, some alternative method for a very long and a big question, how to corona and beyond corona. Some answer to these questions are resonating in and around us, like use mask, maintain social distance. So issue under consideration is, will these preventive measures suffice to battle against the deadly coronavirus? Relying on social distancing, that too when we all know that humans are social being by birth and by nature. So what is the feasible solution to enable life with corona and beyond corona? If one of the probable solution is keep yourself disinfected, then again the question arises, how? Some states have introduced disinfectant tunnels, sanitization machine, etc. at crowded public places, which is a welcome step. But this leads to another long-term question: what will be the impact of these disinfectants if it is sprayed directly on the body? And more importantly, how much this external disinfectant process is going to help when virus is internal inside the body. It's around us, it's in the air, water, and surfaces which we touch. Probably we'll get some answer to these questions today. So with this as the context for today's Samvad series, it is indeed my honor and proud privilege to introduce Dr. Sachin Gadekar, Executive Director, Right Water Solution India. Dr. Gadekar is a chemical and biological engineer with expertise in renewable energy, water, industrial effluent, and waste. He is a distinguished career working in various countries, including US, Canada, and India. He has stellar credential with his technical expertise combined with business acumen, technology transfer and implementation, as well as management. Dr. Gadekar holds PhD from University of Florida, United States, and BTech in Chemical Engineering from Lakshmi Narayan Institute of Technology, Nagpur, India. With this brief introduction, on my behalf and on behalf of Honorable Executive President, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, faculty, staff, and students of MIT University, warm welcome to MIT WPU Samvad series. Dr. Gadekar will be sharing with us today his observations and insights in and around the theme Environment After Corona Crisis. Dr. Gadekar, all participants, they are quite keen, curious, and eager to listen to you and are quite optimistic that your insights will help participants to understand how to enable life going along with Corona and beyond Corona, and how environment is going to be after Corona crisis. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come closer to the most awaited time. It's time to invite Dr. Sachin Gadekar for interaction with Samvad series participant. Sir, we invite you for interaction with Samvad series participant. Over to you, Gadekar sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Parashar ma'am, introduction, and also, you threw some light on what exactly is happening right now. So my request to everyone is, since we are facing this pandemic, it is worrisome, but don't worry too much. Okay, don't put yourself in kind of a stress or anxiety that what is going to happen next. Parasha ma'am and Dr. Joshi and all faculty members and the participants also, I would like to congratulate you everyone to conduct this series, and of course it gives a message to me that you do care.